Watercolor seems daunting, frustrating, indomitable, uncontrollable. Things happen fast and make us feel at times like we are merely trying to go with the flow, grappling with mistakes and imperfections as they arise. Trying to go back, attempting to fix our mistakes as a way to hide bad decisions and choices we made along the way, when maybe everything would have been just a little bit better if only we had spent more time thinking before acting. Does it ring any bells? To me, this is life. It does sound like it at least. How can we gain control of it? One advice? Learn to let go. Hi, I'm Roberto, and today we're going to explore how we can significantly enhance our watercolor skills by embracing the art of letting go. I hope that what we uncover in this process will not only improve our paintings, but also offer valuable insights into managing the uncertainties of daily life. A common issue I see among new watercolor artists is treating watercolor like other mediums, such as colored pencils, acrylics, or oils. Many persistently go over and over and over their marks, attempting to conceal mistakes and hoping to make the paintings better by layering on more paint. The reality is, watercolor is inherently transparent. You can't simply sweep mistakes under the rug. They remain visible, and this can be disheartening. But the solution is not in trying to avoid making mistakes. What are we, robots? So how can we achieve a clean and beautiful watercolor painting? The key lies in confidence. Although it may sound easy and straightforward, developing confidence in watercolor painting requires practice and focused attention. Confidence involves understanding and anticipating the nature of each mark you make. Consider whether you want your stroke to be wet on wet, dry on wet, dry on dry, thin, large, slow, or fast. Each choice affects the outcome in unique ways. You have made your mark on the paper now. Is it exactly like you wanted it to be? Did you make the right choice? No? Well, it's life, isn't it? Things don't always go as planned, but it's way more productive to focus on your next steps rather than dwelling on past mistakes. Interestingly, what may initially seem like a mistake can sometimes lead to surprising and beautiful results down the road. The reality is that in watercolor, a clean and confident but slightly wrong mark will always look better than a perfect, overworked one. The imperfections can contribute to the overall character and charm of the piece. As you practice watercolor, embrace patience and acceptance. Find joy in the final piece when all the individual marks come together to create a cohesive whole. This is akin to looking back at your life. We wouldn't be who we are without the goods and the bads. Successes and failures both contribute to make us us. So it's watercolor. Beauty in its imperfection and perfection in its individuality. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more artistic tips and tricks. Remember, let go, embrace the flow, and create something amazing. See you next time. Bye!